over here you can see that I have an image right here, and this is what I have right here. Right now there is a brick wall right here, and there is this plant, as you can see, just like this. So now let's say I want to remove out the plant. So I'm in the expert mode, and you can also get this tool in the quick editing mode right here. So I'm going to expert mode first, and then I'm going to go around and take this spot healing brush tool, and let's see what we can do with this. So if I were to go around and then simply draw, then you can see that there's a bit of artifacts right here. So this is not a tool if you want to remove out an object and have something like a pattern in the background. So in that case, let me just press Ctrl Z to undo what I did. You can use something called the clone stamp tool right here. Now this is available in the expert mode, and it is not available in the quick editing mode right here. So if I were to go around onto the expert mode right here, I can go around and hold Alt on my keyboard and take a point. Let's say, for example, I'm just going to go around, take this point right here, and you can see that the sample is there. So I can go around onto another point right here, and then you can see that I can align out the texture just like this, and then click and drag around, and you can see that now it is copying out the texture from the other part, and the removal is much more seamless, as you can see right here. So now you can go around and remove out that thing just like this, as you can see, and this looks flawless just like this. So you can use the size of the brush right here. You can really make the brush large, as you can see, just like this as well. You can really make the brush large over here as well, or you can make the brush small and change around the opacity as well. So let me just press Ctrl Z. Let me just increase the size of the brush right here, and you can choose the type of the brush over here just like this as well. And now you can work around with the opacity right here. So let me just go around, click and drag around, and you can see that you can give it more like a transparent feel to it as well, just like this. So that is how you can utilize the clone stamp tool inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. And here you can see that you can also work around with the mode like overlay, just like this. So you can make something brighter. You can use like screen right here, just like this, make it even more brighter. You can darken it out over here, just like this as well. And you can see that multiple type of blending modes can be used as well. You can also make it aligned or disaligned, as you can see. So if I were to do this, then it is not aligned every time. But if I were to turn on align, then it'll align out the sample, as you can see. So let me just go around and press this. And now you can see that if I were to go around and then draw from here onwards, now it becomes aligned right here. So no matter where I draw, everything becomes aligned. So let me just go around onto the opacity and turn this to normal, and you can see that since it is aligned, it just goes around and then tries to line out everything right here. So let me just go around right here, just go around, draw out right here, and you can see that the end result is aligned over there, just like that. So that is how you can go around and then utilize the clone stamp tool inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.